Once upon a time, in the vast ocean, lived a tiny bloodworm named Midge. Midge was small, but he had a big dream to become the strongest bloodworm in the sea. Despite his size, Midge was determined and worked hard every day, eating and growing. But his growth was slow, and he often felt discouraged. One day, he met a wise old crab named Cephas. Cephas saw Midge's disappointment and asked, "Why so down, little one? Your growth is slow, but it is steady. Patience, my friend, will be your strength." Midge listened to Cephas' words and decided to be patient. He continued to eat and grow, day by day, week by week, month by month. Meanwhile, he noticed a newcomer in the ocean, a bloodworm named Blade. Blade was big, strong, and fast. He had grown quickly, but his growth was not steady. Blade often bragged about his size and strength, but his actions showed he was arrogant and rude. One day, a powerful storm hit the ocean. Many of the smaller creatures hid, but Blade boasted he could handle it. He swam recklessly, ignoring the danger. Midge, on the other hand, stayed calm and waited. The storm raged on, and Blade was swept away by a powerful wave. Midge watched as Blade was carried away, feeling a pang of sympathy. But he also understood Cephas' wisdom. "Slow and steady wins the race," Midge reminded himself. He continued to grow, becoming stronger and wiser. And although he was still small, he was respected by all the creatures in the ocean. The moral of the story is that patience and steadiness can lead to great things, even if the journey is slow. Size and speed are not the only measures of success. In every journey, it is important to remain patient, persistent, and respectful.